Hello students, welcome to my channel Grow in Maths. Here I have one numerical problem. It is from class 10 of West Bengal board, exercise 1.3, page number 13. Here we have the problem. The distance between two places is 200 kilometers. So in this diagram I have shown the distance by the line segment AB. So AB equal to 200 kilometer. The time taken by a motor car for going from one place to another is less by 2 hours than the time taken by a jeep car. So motor car is taking 2 hours less than the time taken by the jeep car. Okay, so first of all we have to take that let jeep car takes x hour to cover 200 kilometer. Okay, so we have to write let jeep car takes x hour to cover 200 kilometer. Now as it is given that the motor car takes 2 hours less, therefore motor car takes jeep car takes x hours, so motor car takes 2 hours less, so it should be x minus 2 hour. Okay, next it is given if the speed of the motor car is 5 km per hour more, so we have to find out speed. As we know that speed equals to distance by time. So for the jeep car we can get the speed of the jeep car as the total distance 200 kilometer and the time taken by the jeep car is x hours, so 200 by x kilometer per hour. And same thing for the motor car, we have 200 by time taken is x minus 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, so we got the speed for both of them. Now it is given, you have to read, if the speed of the motor car is 5 km per hour more, means the speed of the motor car more by 5 km per hour. So we have to write on condition I think you all have got that speed. How I have got speed means distance by time. Speed means distance by time. So both the car actually covers 200 kilometers and their speed their time taken are given by x and x minus 2. So for jeep car speed is 200 by x and for the motor car 200 by x minus 2. Okay, now on condition as the speed of the motor car is more, so we have to write 200 by x minus 2. It is the speed of the motor car and it is more than the speed of the jeep car by 5 km per hour. So this is our equation. Okay, this is our equation and now we have to solve to get the value of x. Okay, so let's see how we can solve. So here we have to do the LCM first. So simple LCM we have to do here. So here the LCM should be x into x minus 2. So first of all 200 into x and here minus 200 into x minus 2. Okay, equals to 5. Okay, next we have to calculate this. So simply we can do like that. We are getting here 200x minus 200x plus 200 into 2 400, and here we are getting by multiplying x square minus 2x is equal to 5. Okay, next you can see that we can easily cut 200x and 200x. So 200x and 200x we can cut, and then finally we are getting one simple equation, that is 400 by x square minus 2x equals to 5. Once again we can cancel 405, actually 405, here 5 ones are 5 and here 80. Okay, so finally we get equation that is actually 80 by x square minus 2x equals to 1, or x square minus 2x equals to 80. Okay, after that we are getting x square minus 2x minus 80 equals to 0. Now we have to just do the middle term here. So how to do, I think you can get easily that if we take minus 10x and plus 8x, we will get that minus 80 easily and minus 2 also. Or now by taking x common, we will get x minus 10, and from here 8 common, x minus 10 equals to 0, and finally x minus 10 into x plus 8 equals to 0. So we got here the product of x minus 10 x plus 8 equals to 0. So we have to write either x minus 10 equals to 0 or x plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, so we have to write then or x equals to 10, or here from we are getting x equals to minus 8. Actually minus 8 is not possible, so we have to write here not possible. Not possible because as we have taken time, we have taken x is the time, so time can't be negative. Okay, therefore x equals to 10. Now what we have to find, we have to find the speed of the motor car. We have to find the speed of the motor car. So here speed of the motor car we have already got 200 by x minus 2 kilometer per hour. So in this expression if we put the value, here can we can also get easily that x equals to, so we may put here that therefore speed of the speed of the motor car equals to 200, and what we have got the value for x, we have got, I think x equals to 10 we got, so we have to write just 200 by 10 minus 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, and finally we are getting the answer 200 by 8 kilometer per hour. That means it was a 16 and then 45, 25 kilometer per hour. So speed of the motor car here we have got. So students, I think you have understand that how we are getting that simple equation by using that simple formula, speed equal to distance by time, and after that the difference of their speed is 5 kilometer per hour. So we have used this. Okay, thank you students.